the stream right now. Okay. Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining. And today we will continue where we left off yesterday. And that is this effect right here. I've done like a little bit of adjustment to try to make it better. That is to bring the texture back, the older one we made, the one that is more detailed. But now I see when I go down like this, it doesn't communicate the impact, like the beam. We lose a lot of beam here. And I feel like we could bring some of that explosion upwards thingy back. Or let's make it from scratch. And that is by taking that beam explosion thing and duplicating it. And then what we could do is what can we do? Come. Help me out, help me out. We can just take the renderer billboard and make it make it into a billboard, a normal one. Yeah, okay. It needs to, let's see it all together, how it will play out. I think it needs to be lower in size, definitely lower. Yeah, speaking of which, we will go here. I feel like we've done some stuff here. Okay, we will we will just make it smaller, right? So let's go with 7. Let's see how that looks like. Let's restart it. A bit smaller. Definitely a bit smaller. Let's see how would that work out. So here we'll go 5. And now we'll play it again. And restart. There's like a desync issue or syncing issue. Okay, so that's the name of the Twitch account that was chatting with me. I said, I'll keep it. We'll just gonna put that into laser. We hope that they will come back today, but that's fine. The goal of the stream is anyway just to learn. It's not about making any community or to capitalize on anything. It's just me learning, and the rest, whatever comes, is nice, but it's not a must-have. Okay, we'll go up with the value here. Let's go more this way. Okay, definitely less intensity. We'll go with something like 2. And now see it going. Okay, we need to change the color. Keep it white. Okay, and now we will give it even more color. Let's see. Okay. Maybe we keep it into that range. And now we play it all together. Like I said there, I feel like there's a sync issue. I feel like the laser here is taking too much attention in the beginning. And I feel like we could make it completely disappear. I feel like it's way too big too. That's one issue that I'm not so happy with. So we will just go with size to 0.2. Make it a bit smaller because it's going a bit too insane with the size, especially in the beginning. I feel like the laser could go out first, definitely. And then the effect should fade away because I feel like there's a huge desync right now. And we will work on it by going to the size over lifetime and here again. And we will just make those 2 values like this and this, or to the left, around 0.95 basically. Here we go. It's really going. There's a bit of difference here. Let's see how would that play out now if we play it all together. Restart. Okay, it's going now. It's going a bit too early. We can maybe manipulate that by, let's not go there. Okay, let's just go here again, right? Take these and just like fine tune them, slowly getting to the result that we want. It's fine too. Sometimes a lot of work is done this way, just like that. Okay, we will play it all together and let's see how that looks like. Yeah, it's still going way too early. Maybe now we could add some lifetime. Well, if the duration is 3.5, what would happen now if we play it all together? Would that change anything? The duration is something I still don't totally understand. Like, why would you put the start lifetime a bit different? Let's see. Okay, so we will play it all together again. Okay, I remember now what we wanted to do. We wanted to play with the lifetime. The thing is, like, if the lifetime exceeds the duration, why would that be allowed, right? Don't get it completely. Restart. Yeah, almost there. Almost there. We will just go with a value of 3.8 maybe? Let's see how what that looks like. Again, does that work? Does that work? Let's see. Still going too early, right? I feel like a microsecond could benefit our effect a bit more. Let's go with 3.9. It again. Yeah, now we have something. Okay, I think this has gotten way too small. What we could do though is let's play with 3D size. I think that would give us a lot of benefit now. So 5, 5, and then the Z should be 10. Let's see how would that look like. Just by the looks of it. Okay, Z could be 0. It doesn't even matter, right? Yeah. One of them can be 10. That's because it's 2D. Okay, let's see together. How would that look like? Is it even playing? Is there even an effect here? Yeah, but it's getting really, really small. Yeah, okay. Let's go with 20. Whatever. Let's try that. Yeah, now we're definitely getting something way better. We did it! That's so cool! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Wow! Looks really cool. Now I'm more satisfied, much more satisfied. I feel like the stuff with the particles out could be... what would happen if we make the scale into half of the value? So 0.5. Let's see how would that play out together. Okay, yeah, that is way too small, definitely. Definitely way too small. Let's go here again. We'll play here with the 0.7 value. Actually, there was a way, right, to write all of them down? Like, to give them value. Yeah, here, 0.7. Okay, now wait. So first you give them value, like a 1 value, for example. 1, 1, 1. And then you hook them together. And you say 0. Yeah, here you go. That's much better. Okay, let's restart that. I like it. Yeah. I kind of feel like the particles in could also benefit from the same treatment. Let's hook them together and give them a 0.9. Maybe 9. Let's see. Let's see how would that look like. All together, let's see, restart. So, what I feel that this effect could benefit more from is a beam that would, how to say, that would stay longer. So for example, if I remember correctly, when I was a kid, I'm ashamed to say that, but I used to watch, or I used to play, more likely. So what I'll show you right now, actually, public learning. Just give me a second, I'll be right back. Okay, here we are back again. What I want to show you is a reference that I have in mind of an effect that was actually used in a game, which is Command & Conquer Generalist. And it's, oh my god, now all my stuff are showing up to the public. No, I don't want that. I don't want that. How can we do this? Let's make it incognito. That's much better. Okay, here we go. We will reject all of the stuff. I don't care. Command & Conquer Generals and US Army Nuke. Is this... Would this show up? I wonder. This game is so old. US Army Laser? What was it called? There was... it used to be called... It used to be... What is the name? Come on, try to remember. Wait, let me try to see. I'm gonna mute that. Let's see here. Particle Uplink Cannon. Is it the Particle Uplink Cannon? Is that the one? Let's see. US Army... Cannon. Let's see. Yes, this one. Okay, let's see. Gonna mute that. Here it is. You see how it has like a laser and you could move it? At the end, there's only fire. I thought that there would be like a little bit of beam left, but fire could do the same job, even better, I guess, right? Maybe when we get to fire in the course, maybe we could do something. But for now, I just want that beam to last a bit longer. Uh-oh. Here it is. My public stuff again. No. They want it to be shared in the public. I mean, it's not a big deal anyway. I'm into wrestling. Everybody know that. So, private. Okay. Here we go. And we will go here. Restart that. Okay. And now we will keep the beam on the ground a bit longer. Or what we could do is even duplicate that effect. Make it, give it a delay of 2 seconds. How would that play out together? Wait. I duplicated the wrong thing. Okay, wait, give me a second. We'll duplicate this one. Yes, and now we'll give it a delay of 2 seconds. And I think 2 seconds is a fair... Let's see. Okay, what we wanted to do, I'll delay it even longer, 3 seconds. And I will make it fade away, not by size. So the size over lifetime does not matter. But the color over lifetime matters a lot, and it will have a huge... Actually, it will have only one color, because that's the color it ends up with. And that color actually will go to red at the end, like dark red. And we'll delete this. We'll give it a bit more time to fade away. And now we will try that again. Okay, there's a minute where it goes quickly, like it's super noticeable. And the way to hide that, I think, is to play with the color over lifetime again. Okay, excuse me for a second. I need to burp hard. Okay, now we're back. We will close this here. Continue here. I'll get some green tea here. Wait. Nice. Okay, what we will do is what is this? Restart. Okay, we will make it transparent in the beginning and make it fade into that. And this way it will be less noticeable, I guess. Let's go. Maybe I give that one, but if I give that one more intensity, yeah. Now wait a second. Then let's take that color, make it brighter, and let's see how that works out with everything. But I kind of feel like it could use much more like it could use a more intensity. Let's see, render. But I feel like we seriously need to give this a variant now, and we need to do white variant. Let's save the value here, 3.8, and give it a 6, and play that again. So 3, yeah. Oh, damn. Okay, cool. Let's play that again. See how it plays. Now, did they all get the same value? I really don't hope so. Nah, that's good. Okay, what I will do is I'll take that value down to 2, and I will play everything together. Now it's 2 less beam. Okay, let's study it a little more. So here, we will make that into a 3. I think we took a lot of the value away, a lot of the intensity value away. Yeah. Okay, let's play that again. I like that it's gaining heat the longer it's playing, and I love that idea. Wow. But I still feel that we could use more oomph in the area it hits. And I think we have just the effect for that because we created it in the sparkle. Let's enable that again. Yes. In those sparkles? Is it those? Nah. It's the steam. Wait, the beam, not the steam. Beam. Yeah, this one. We will copy that and actually insert it inside of here and disable this sparkle effect for now. Focus on the effect we need. This here is amazing. We will just put it. We will zero out everything, even the rotation. Scale should be 1, 1, 1. And now we should be able to put it on the ground. Let's see, like right here. Like, yes, like here. And we could change the shape later. But for now, I just want to see that effect playing, or how it will play with the other stuff. I'll give it a variant because I don't want to mess up with the other effect we've done. Create a variant for render. And we'll go back down. I will give it a greenish, bluish color. Let's give it make it more colorful, definitely. Give it an intensity of 4, maybe even 6. Let's see how that plays out. And it should only start when the beam is starting. And that is around, sorry, the laser is starting. We're gonna restart. Playback time. Look, it already looks amazing. And now, here. So the delay will be around. Why does it go from a microsecond to the other? Like extreme madness. Is that okay? I think we should go slow motion again here and see how everything is playing out. So here, I feel like it could use some of it here. So we'll duplicate that. 0.62. That's the delay. This is not you. Again, taking the wrong thing. We will put a delay here of 6.2, and it will definitely not loop. It will go... Okay, why is it looping even though I disabled loop, right? No. Start lifetime should be between 1 and 0... No, wait. 0.9? How does that look like? It's way too long. It's the duration here that is playing around with this. Okay, so the duration should be half a second. Yeah, even maybe a half a second, quarters of a second. Yeah, let's see how that plays out when it hits the first time. Yeah, we definitely have something. I like it. Now it's time to give it a bigger size. Oh, wait. 1, hook it up. 2, and see how that plays. Okay, let's see together. And now it should start again. We'll pause this. I think we have a delay here. Too much of a delay. It should start 6-1. Why is it not starting at 6? And let's just let it start at 6. See how that plays. We're gonna just go slow-mo. Yeah. Okay, what we will do now is take the size of each particle here and make it chill a little more. We'll have 3 and play. But the issue of the size over lifetime here needs to be a bit later. And what else could it benefit from? Let's keep that to 1, 1. Let's see what happens. Okay, 0.1 to 0.25. How would that play? Okay, I think we have a incorrect number here. What if it was a 2? Okay, I think we have a wrong scale, definitely. Let's restart that. Okay, I don't like it at all anymore. So we'll Ctrl-Z a lot of the effects we've done and play it again. I like how sharp it is. Yeah, I think it could use a lot of higher intensity. Okay, and we will give it a delay of 6-1 or 6 even. Yeah, we have that. Good, we'll play it together. Yeah, definitely. And now again, it should play around. There's a delay here. Yeah, I feel like this beam should start actually after the laser have hit, and it should go with an opacity of some kind. I think I need to note down those things. Notepad. Just gonna put the notepad right here, and we'll note those things I would like to do. Beam needs to, actually I could put it in the chat. Beam needs to, how to say, start after the laser hits. So that's a task. And laser hits before beam is also one thing I want to do. And beam, the beam should be, appearing slowly, or how to say, it's not appearing. My language is so bad. My English languages, my vocabularies are very bad. It should appear with size over lifetime. Yeah, appearing using size over lifetime. Just gonna SOL, sol, plus SOC, sol and sock. Okay, so size of a lifetime and color of a lifetime. Sorry, col, C-O-L, sol and col, sol and col. Better call Sol. Huh? We got something here. We got something. Okay, let me relax a little bit. Think about this. Look at it from far. I'm gonna do this. We will do this, and we will make it work. There's no way around it. Okay, so what is this? Restart? Yes. So first of all, we were working on, which I forgot now because I had to note down stuff. We were working on that. I would call it a bit different than beam because it's basically sparkles. Yeah, sparkles. Let's call them sparkles. Or sparkles start, basically. Yep, start. And we have sparkles end. And there it is. End. We will figure the sparkles end after we've done this list. So first thing on the list is, I guess, laser before beam. This thing we need to fix. Let's play it and wait, let's play everything together. We get the exact timing. We pause it and now we go microsecond. So kind of like when it starts. So we need to delay the beam. That is what we could do. Restart. That's the upper beam. And that is, which beam is this one? That's the end. Okay. So we will beam after explosion. Explosion. And this one is beam vertical explosion. Vertical, completely misspelled that. Explosion. And this one, which is here, this will be called differently. This will be called cylinder. Vertical energy second explosion. Or energy, there's climax. Climax is the word. Climax, okay? We have particles out. Those look good. We have the anticipation explosion. NT, it's just called NT. And in and ground, excuse me. We have this vertical energy, also anti-anticipation. NT. Okay. Whew, it's getting cool. Now things are getting really, really nicely done. Let's keep going. Let's just keep going. Drink some water. Okay. Now we've worked on the naming. We will be able to hopefully easily work on those things. So the laser, we said, should stay like it is. And now the beam should... Wait a second. Yeah, okay. So this needs a bit of delay. Of more exact delay. The anticipation explosion could stay the same, and the after explosion can also stay the same. However, the one that is during the climax, this one, nah, not this one. We're just gonna play all of them. This one, okay. But that's not anticipation anymore. That's climax. Just gonna put it a bit down. Whatever. Keep it like it is, Unity. Let's see. What can I do? I need to go to the bathroom. I'll be back. We are back on zone. And let's keep it going then. First of all, we take that out. And we keep going. We will restart that because we just had a break. We gained some hour. That's nice. We've done some nice progress so far. We will play it again. We will go back to what we wanted to do, which is to delay the beam of the climax and vertical climax as well. We need to rename all of those things. We need to find a way to make it work. So the delay needs to be between 2.6. Let's try 2.6. It's this one. Okay. What I will do... Okay. Climax. Vertical. Vertical... Climax explosion. I mean, it's not really an explosion anymore. It's a beam. So let's name it as it is. Let's take that name, rename this one to horizontal, I hope. Horizontal. We'll Google that just to be sure. Excuse my spelling issues. Horizontal, is that correct? It is correct. Wow, I've impressed myself. Cool. So, horizontal and vertical climax. And, okay, so we got them all together. We will definitely restart this. And now we will pause and we'll restart it, pause, and play it together. Ooh, I like it. Okay, and similar to the color over lifetime, we'll copy actually from the climax. Come on, help me, energy. Yeah, this one. We will copy the color over lifetime. Copy. Then we will go to this and horizontal. Where's the other beam? This one. We'll go to color over lifetime. We will paste this one. And let's try to go together. Okay, let's give it a try now all together. Restart. Right, let's see. Okay, let's play it again. Okay. We will play it again. We pause. We go one by one. This one needs more love. This beam here. The anticipation beam. Yeah, definitely. It needs way more love. Needs more. Let's see. Okay, so that's a lot of oomph. We're gonna take that oomph down a bit. Okay, we will go back again. So the effect from above looks hideous. That's why it shouldn't play from above. It should either be planned like here. I don't like that it's not showing. Here's the question. How do we make the texture show both ways? Is that something we could make possible from the texture? If we put it like here, sure, save, restart. No. I would like to see the behind, the back culling, I think it's called. Let's try different ones. Directional, light, shadow mask. I have to try each and every one of them. Default to the sRGB color texture. Alpha is transparency. Input texture alpha. Advanced. Read, write. Visual texture only. Generate MIP maps. Use MIP maps limits. MIP map limit group. MIP streaming. MIP map filtering. Preserve coverage. Replicate border. Fade out to gray. Wrap mode. Repeat. Clamp. Mirror. Mirror once. Okay, that's the wrap mode. Yeah, okay, makes sense from the name. Filter mode. Keep that. Max size. Resize algorithm. Format. Compression. Use crunch compression. Override for Windows. I guess we have to Google that, but I still have hope that we can find it on our own. I'll just 2D texture back culling. I don't know how to write that. Unity. Let's see what we'll find. How to achieve overlay blended textures. Problem applying to the textures and script. Texture to the destroy. How to do it right. Wow, back culling, I think with a U. Okay, wait. Back culling Unity texture. We'll keep looking. Two-sided shader in Unity. Back face culling, it's called. Back face culling texture Unity. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Okay, let's see. I found a forum thing. I've been trying to figure out how to get backface culling to turn off in Unity since I don't want it to waste any polys. Okay. It's on. The face is called. You don't want use call off. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. Oh, I misunderstood the question. Blah, blah, blah. Let's go to the next. How to turn off texture on a single plane. How to deal with backface. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Looks impressive. You could use a shader which does not use backface culling, but that's not always a good solution. I think it's more common to copy the model in your modeling software and simply flip the directions. This way you would have more polygons in your scene, but it's most likely the better solution. Are you talking about flipping the normals? Yes, the normals. Flipping the normals would still keep a single normal, yes. Extruding also adds polygons. Extruding slightly is the way. Backface culling is rendering optimization. If you don't want it, just turn it off by adding the two words call off to your shader. Making duplicate polygons with reverse vertex normal is a waste of processing power. That's true, blah, blah, blah. Correct using call off result in incorrect lighting on the opposite side. Oh my god, so many things. If lighting is consideration, then you are right. Actually, lighting problem can be solved with 2-pass shader, but having a second pass most probably makes things less efficient than having duplicate faces. Oh my god, why are they talking so much? Why can't they just not solve the freaking problem? I know it is possible. Let's see, let's look into backface culling, texture, Unity. Let's see, two-sided shader, Unity, do what you love. No, fix this. No, 60 seconds. Also, no. Oh my god, tree, leaves. Let's just add anything else. Let's just make this work, please, guys, please. Let's see. Yeah, okay, shader, good. Put it on. Yeah, all right. Okay, doesn't help really. Leaf, Unity, vegetation. Yeah, let's see. Let's Google that first before we go to YouTube. How to make tree leaves with planes. Same issue, basically. Let's go back. What do they say? That is default behavior. You will need to switch on back double site rendering. Isn't it that what I did? Lol, well, if you don't know how to do it, I'm guessing you haven't done it. As for how it is going to depend on the version of Unity. If you're using URP or normal rendering. I personally use two planes over each other. Oh my god, why so much work? Like, can they not just make this work? This is the default behavior. You will need to switch on back double side rendering. Okay, let's look that up and where to turn it on. Unity back double side rendering. Let's check that out. Double-sided material. How do I enable double-sided rendering in Unity? In the material inspector, find render face and select both. Let's see. How do I know? In the material inspector. So basically we have to go to this material. Sure. We have to go, wait a second. Whoa, what happened now? Let's see. Okay, we completely effed this up. We'll put it back to the UI. We'll apply it and we'll play all of this again. Yeah. Okay, are we in the right? Which one is it? I completely forgot. Something vertical. Yeah. Okay, and we will go into this material. Yeah, please select the material for me. Select material. This one. Enable GPU instancing, double-sided global illumination. This is the one. Let's play it again. Okay, wait, maybe I have to still enable it, right? No. Enable GPU instancing, Q control, main texture, color, surface option. Double-sided global illumination. I think that is the wrong one. Let's see. Again, there's something happening though. It is... No, it's not different, right? Why is the research not showing anything? Unity how to make material double-sided. Okay. Search for the issue gives number of solutions, but they don't work for some reason in mine. I do not call and or sites in material in Unity editor. Okay, let's see. You need to custom shader to enable double-sided material by using call off. Okay, then Unity shader graph double-sided rendering. Let's see, double-sided. How to expose the two-sided properly in shader graph. How can I expose that? Trying to figure this out too. Did you guys figure it out? I'm in version, I guess, and you can enable allow material override, including cull mode. But in old versions, I think there's no easy way or not possible at all. The only thing you can do is branch checking side, but it's not the same as cull mode. It might be possible to hack shader graph in some way. Why would you? Still no way, expose, double-sided, transparency or opaque, specular. I think old version of shader graphs. Ugh, God. Allow material. Wait. So I'm not sure. I follow this. This is shader graph I just made. Isn't that exactly what you need? Shader face, render face, both front, back. Obviously, I don't follow every single SG version. Well, only one way to find out. We have to get our hands a bit dirty here. Shaders. Let's go back to this one. Well, where can we find this? Material, unlit, transparent, additive, render face, both, save assets, scene, here, where is it? Yeah, I seriously have to change this. Ground vertical energy. It's not ground, it's vertical energy. Cylindrical cylinder. Vertical energy climax. Yes, let's rename everything else related to this, please. Yes, okay. This is anticipation. We will also, maybe we put the anti here. This way we could easily differentiate them. Diagram beam, and this one, instead of PS in the beginning, we add anticipation particles in climax beam. Yes, this has something to do with this, so it will be climb, and we will keep the name. We're just gonna change horizontal beam. We will remove ground. It will just be horizontal beam. And this will be our new naming convention, basically. Here, it will be vertical beam, and it will be climax. Yes, correct. This will be climax as well. It's basically both and both. Let's just say both. For Vic sword and this cylindrical vertical. Yes, this needs to change here. We will call it climb. Yes. Particles out is climb as well. One task I'll add for myself is rename. Rename shit. Rename stuff. Stuff. Yes, and we're doing that right now. What is this? Climax on, yes, both. Cool. Climax vertical. What is this? Beam after explosion. That will be, what is it? Anticipation, climax, and the what's the third thing? Dissolve, right? Dissolve. Let's just go back to our basics in the course. They mentioned it here. Oh wait, I went way too fast. It was in the what? Here we have impact, chat, shockwave, ground crack, shaded graph. Express nature. Okay, let's go back to the VFX fundamentals. Particle effects, mesh effects, flipbook animation, shader effect, hybrids, gameplay, timing, shape, contrast, color, pre-production, introduction, gameplay object, blah blah blah. Oh my god, gonna have to control F that thing. Climax, dissipation. This with like this, like the this in the rap culture. Sparkle start. Yeah, okay, so this one will be anticipation. Sparkle start, that this will be small d in the beginning, and the sparkles end will remove the end. We will make it climb x, and the start should actually be go on. Okay, so now we can actually apply all of those changes, because we want to be able to change the hierarchy here. What is this thing? What are you doing? Okay, so it just explodes like that. We can take it from the other one if we need to. I'll go inside this. I will add a create empty, delete this one, rename this one to anti, and we will add climax. We'll add everything anticipation related in that thing. Here we go. And now we will add everything climax related in this thing. Yeah. And everything dissipation related in this container. Climax sparkles. Climax sparkles. Let's save that. Go back and play those. It's annoying. Yeah, but at least it's more organized now. Okay, restart. Okay. And now we can finally go back to, well, we can say here in the chat, rename stuff is done. Check mark this one. So it's done. Beam needs to start after the laser hits. That is kind of done. Let's check it in slow-mo. Let's go very slow. Boosh. We said this thing needs more love. First beam, anticipation beam needs love. Needs more energy, you might say. Yeah. Let's check one thing. Yes. And we have the rest of the stuff, which beam should be appearing using Sol and Col. That is done. We'll just give it a check mark. And here we go. Laser beam. Oh, actually, I can reply to myself. Ooh, that's nice. Laser beam before beam. Is that done? Whoosh. Is it? Okay, nah, it is not yet. But we could still work on that by going into the laser. The laser is both. It's anticipation. I wish I separated it, actually, but it doesn't matter. I treated it like a whole animation. So, anticipation, we wanted to start earlier. And the why, we make it start earlier. Let's see how earlier that is now. Yeah, I think we got it. I think we hit the spot. Let's see. Okay, which second or which microsecond? 120. What we will do is we'll go to the climax sparkles. Was it 120? Yeah. Start delay 120. It will last for 3 seconds. Let's just see for how long we need it, so we don't have to make a guess. And okay, that is starting way too early. It needs to start 1 here. Play that again. Let's pause. Let's play back time. Okay, let's play it all together. See how that feels. Very nice. Okay, now we will notice it in slow-mo. Actually, now it's worth looking into how the hell to hide the gizmos. Unity hide gizmo. Let's see. Gizmo. Actually, I think I might know a way. Yeah, okay, restart. And we will go back in time. Start it very slowly. Kaboom. Why is the first one so different? Yeah, okay. I feel like the color of the beam could be a white color, actually. Here we go. Now we do all of them together again. We pause. We'll go one by one. Yeah. Okay. This is definitely way too big. Oh, sorry. Way too bright. The fire that is going around. Actually, we did see if it's... Yeah, it is. It is rendering both ways. I didn't even want to check because I was sure I found the solution. Okay, that's kind of cool. That's why it's so bright now, because it's basically reflecting on itself. Now let's look at the cylinders. Okay, and we take the intensity down to 1. Play that. Okay, even less. 0.5. Let's see how that plays. Okay, let's see how everything plays. Everything is way too bright right now, but let's see. Okay, we still think that the beginning needs a bit more love and a bit more... I feel like the cylinder here is starting way too early, right? Actually, it could start earlier. Okay, let's work on that. Let's give it some love. I feel like we could even animate that. Let's put it more down. No, fuck this. Dude, fuck you. Play again. Yeah. Okay. Now shape. Size over lifetime. Size over lifetime. Let's go with the Z. Let's make it just go upwards and see what happens. Yeah, fucking finally. We have something. We're working with something nicely. I feel like the color over lifetime is way too off right now. This should go away. This should be at the end. Why did you copy it? Just, can you please? Thanks. Okay, let's see. Okay, those things are doing no benefits, basically. I don't like how they're going, the way they're going. Let's just keep them the way they are. Let's not change them at all. Yeah. Okay. Let's see how that works in the anticipation period. Okay, don't like it. Okay, maybe we keep them. Maybe we keep all of those. Okay, let's keep this. Play it together. See how it looks like. Don't like it. I feel like it could use the other way around. What is it? Can I, if I reverse the speed, what would happen here? Current speed is 0. Okay, we can't play with that then. Let me think. Let me think a little bit. Let's see how we could solve this. I really don't like how it's spinning, or how it's dissipating, or how it's... Yeah, dissipating is the right word. Let's keep it to 1 then. What would happen if this is on 1? Let's just check it out. Yeah, okay. Let's check it out together. Yeah, it's just something is horribly wrong with the color and everything, right? Is this... Did we play with the alpha here by any chance? Alpha is on full. Don't like the color at all. Okay. Now the timing is completely off. What do we have of a delay here? Why do we even have a delay? Let's see. That's why. Okay, we will question the delay and put it into the half the time we gave it before. Yeah. We're getting into something here. Because I don't think it's working out before, and I don't think the 0 works out either. Okay, and I also don't think that the size we've manipulated works to our favor. I think we could completely get rid of this and make it grow bigger. Copy that curve, paste that curve, play that again. Yeah, I like it. I like that. Okay, well, let's play that again. Even goes super warm at one point. Sparkles out, finishing very late, if you might. Let's take those particles out, make their period up to 2.5. Let's see how that works together with everything. Wait, now they're not showing anymore. Is that a problem here? Yeah. Yes. Okay. I like this. It's like melting the ground. We will clap to that. Hell yeah, we've done an effect on our own. Still feel like there's something off at the end. Let's play it again. Yep. So beam needs more love. it needs bigger size. Let's try 12. Let's give it more intensity of a color, 3.5. Actually, it can stay at 3, and we will only need to change the grayscale here a bit more up. What does that look like? Okay, let's play together. Let's play it all together. Yeah, we have like that flash now. Okay, it's way too big though. So please go back to your size. Now we play together. Okay, now the other beams need some love. So we have climax beam, beam, horizontal beam, and vertical beam. And these need a bit of a brighter color. Let's see. The size over lifetime is not benefiting them as much as I want them to. Let's make that let's make their size a bit bigger. Okay. Each one of them has a different size. I want the horizontal beam to be a bit bigger. Let's go with 15. See how would that look like together with the everything. This is amazing. Love this. Yes. Too bright, you think? Let's see. Let's see. Oh my god. I love it. I feel like the sparks out could do a bit brighter values here. Like not super colorful values. See how that looks like? Yeah, let's see how it plays together. Yeah, now it's more united. Now there's a united color. Okay, let's save everything. Here. And we override. Just apply all. Save that. Nice. Guys, we did it. Nice effect. Now we can move on to the next chapter. Try to make our own effects. It's exciting. Things are going well. I'll take I don't know, like a little small break to go to the bathroom. And then we will be back to the course and we'll continue from there. Just a little breather outside, maybe. I'll be back in 5 minutes. It will say 15, but just believe me, 5 minutes. Okay, we're back. So let's keep going then. What do we have in here? First of all, we need to pause this, restart it. Good. We've made 1 hour and 43 minutes of work. That's fantastic. We will continue. And what we've done so far is that we worked on this effect. Okay, now this is definitely going on my portfolio. Yeah, anyway, so it is a lot of fun. And now we will keep going, learn more about what the course has to offer. So far, completely, like, this is recommended to everyone. This is a really good course. Gabriel have made this course. It's called Visual Effects for Games in Unity. It's available on Udemy. And I think in the Flip Normals, this is not sponsored by any means. I'm also doing my best not to copy it one-to-one so that you could check it out on your own. Okay, so we'll continue.
Looking much better, but I'm noticing that the fadeaway still needs to be a little bit better. So let's make it go from white to black. And now it looks much nicer, the face. That's cool. Really nice. And now we can also increase the edge to 5. So don't forget to save the tank to be fab, and let's actually add one more detail to the dissipation.
Basically, they're adding more details to that explosion. We've done that on our own, and we've done our own version of it. Very proud of what we've done, by the way. It's really cool.
Like if there was some that come out of the sign. So let's duplicate the 5 particles back.
He's basically making particles go within one cylinder, which is interesting. The way you would do it is that you go to the shape and then you add a cone. The cone would be like that, and then you would manipulate its angle to 0% or to 0 degrees. So it will be like this in the beginning. You would manipulate it to 0 degree, and then you can manipulate the radius inside of that cone, and you would have particles going inside of it instead of just on the edges. So you don't need a custom mesh for that. Actually, I have an idea to add on my story right now. Let's my Instagram story. Been trying to bring some people over to the stream from my friends. Oops, wait a second, let's make it quieter. We'll do it right now together. We'll add that story together. I will record it right now, camera. And let's do story. I'm trying to figure out how this works again, because it's been a long time since I posted something. And we will restart that thing. Let's do it together. All right. 1, 2, 3. So here's an effect we've done together on the stream. Not sure if you guys can see that. Okay, we can play it again. Okay, the quality sucks, right? Okay, we will do a different one. We will do one of those, the playback. Oh, you can't do that anymore, can you? Anyway, we'll just gotta record it like that. Restart. Keep it without sound. You can disable the sound. Give it a nice effect. One that is dark. And we'll add the link. This is fun. Okay, here it is. We'll just add the link. It is. What? That didn't work. Is Instagram drunk or something? Come on, buddy. Let's do this. Done. Yay, we did it. Good. It's amazing. Cool. We'll add that to the story. Sounds amazing. Cool. Let's continue where we left off. Yeah, it's called radius thickness. So I have like a cylinder. Imagine. Where is it? Where is it? How to do this? Like this. And the radius, this like it determines. No, why am I explaining it like this? Wait. I will just make a new particle. After that, we'll just do it. Effects. I will need a particle system. And then we'll need all the tools back that we had before. You see, this is a cone. And we would manipulate the angle to 0. This would spawn everything inside the cone. Makes sense? And now you would take that radius, thickness, and you put it on the outside. And this way, so in here, they will spawn everywhere, but not inside of the circle. And the smaller you make the thickness, the more they will spawn on the outside of that circle. Yes, like that. Now they should be only spawning on the outside of the circle. So outside or on the edge of that cylinder. I think it will make way more sense if we take the speed a bit more up. We put the size way more down, like 0.2. And now we put the emission up to 100. And then we give that effect of the stretch billboard. And we give it a solid 1. Okay, now you see it. So here we go. Whoa, this looks like a portal effect of some kind. Still amazing. It could be my loading screen when I go on a break. Hell yeah. I think I might just do that. This looks cool. It's amazing. I'm just gonna rename it to loading screen. It's amazing. Cool. What else can we do is check that radius thickness now again. See? Now it's only on the outside of the cylinder. And now it's inside the cylinder. It looks like a rain from this angle. And from here, it looks like one of those effects you see when like a character has darkness around them or coming out of them. Like some kind of energy of some sort. Yeah. It's amazing. It even looks cooler if we get it out of the ground like such. And then imagine like that character is emitting that thing away from them, and it goes just all the way. Maybe we can make it go even slower actually, like 5. Yeah, the slower you make it, yeah, okay, the less of the effect we will see. Anyway, it's a nice effect nevertheless. Let's make that radius thickness back to 0. Now we see that loading screen effect that we talked about. Give that a red value. Give it the same channel colors. Ooh, hell yeah. When I go on a break, you guys gotta see this from now on. It looks really cool. It looks amazing. Yeah, okay, good. Loading screen. We don't need it. Thank you so much. We learned about radius thickness. We didn't use it here. We could, though, but I mean, we kind of use it now for the loading screen, so that's fair enough. We learned it. Let's keep going.
Let's just add a few more things to the climax. Oh, and don't forget to save things to decide, guys, okay?
Okay, we will add one more thing, they said, so we will keep going. Let's see what else they would add.
We still need to spice up the climax, and for that, we are going to use another texture. Yep, that's right, textures are really important, guys. Let's create a new file, named Impact02, and again, with 1000 by 1000 pixels. We're also going to paste back onto black.
Same thing with the texture, there will be a new texture. Just curious how the texture would look like, and then I would start with it if I need to. Ooh. Let's see. You put it on 2. So basically, they're making a texture for the impact, and I think it would make sense, similar to what we have the thing we've added here. But we've added it now with the particle system. Yeah, you can see it right there. So we have that already. I just gotta skip now to the end of it, just to see how it look like, and if I'm curious enough to try it. Okay, we need to put that back to, maybe I'll slow it down just to see. Play it again. Okay, so I don't like it. I honestly just don't like it. Let's see, I'm gonna just slow it down even more. Yeah, I really do not like that, but maybe it's worth making one and adding it on our own. So this is how it looks like. This is it. We could definitely make our own. Let me grab Photoshop and do that effect. We could add it. We could make that effect using linear add, I suppose. And it really has to go like, there will be no shaping. It has to just look like an explosion. So let's see, new file. You have the navigator there. You could see it, hopefully. We will make it a 248. 248. Okay. And now, so here you have the navigator. You can see it. You see what I'm painting, basically. We will make the background black. We will add a layer of white, put it on a mask and invert the mask. We will take the brush and start making those brush strokes. Give me a minute. Okay. So I'm basically just keeping the effects composition. So basically, yeah, like what we could also do is enable symmetry and enter. Now we could play with the effect such. So it has a lot of energy in the middle. So we're just gonna draw it like that at the beginning. Super duper energetic in the middle and a lot of energy emitting outside of it. Yeah. So a lot of energy is going outwards. First of all, we need that one liner. Yeah, like that. We have energy going out this way, and energy going out all the way. I will of course edit those later, but for now we just want the general shape, I guess. Yeah. And it's super bright right now, but we will work on that as we keep going. Yeah, I feel like it could use more of a rounded shape in the bottom. And now we will take the brush way down, take the flow lower, and this will give it this type of, let's make the flow even lower. Yeah, and now we could add that effect on the impact texture. Of course, it's not final yet. What we will do now is disable symmetry, because now we want it to be less symmetrical. And we will go one by one, and we will add those bursts, basically. Yeah, we'll delete it so it stays in the same size on both ends. Just checking the bottom is too rounded now. Yeah, we need more energy in, even if it messes out with the general shape. We can always add over it. It's not an issue. Now, keep going. We will make that even sharper, because you see those ends are very rough at the moment. Just keep making them sharper, and while keeping the main shape. That's a bit too much. See what we could do. Not this. Yeah. Okay. Make it even sharper. I'm not sure if this would work. Let's see. We can always fail and learn. That's fine. Like, it's not a big deal if we fail. Just gonna check the actual drawing. Yeah, mine is definitely way sharper because I have those sharp edges. Let's see if this would work or not. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's not a big deal. And what I will do next is, so you see I'm adding those little details. I think they would add a lot of character. Could be wrong. Let's see what will happen. But I would imagine an explosion, you know, going such. Okay, now we will add... Why is it not snapping? Snap, please. Okay. We will add a black and black layer, basically. We'll take the flow down to 3 and now go carefully inside of the impact. Give it character from the inside. Yeah, give those... If each stroke here on character if possible. See, feel like it's too much going inside, but that's not a problem. We could always edit that out by just erasing it as such. Okay, And now we're back here. We will add more bursts of energy, especially going upwards. I feel like we could use a way smaller brush, like just like this, all going back to the main impact. Yeah. Point. I feel like this edge is way too sharp here. Yeah. We could cut those edges to make them sharper. Such. I feel like here we are quite fat in this area. We could eliminate that a bit. Let's see, what else can we do? Make this a bit bigger. Give some hole. Yeah, some holes. This. Yeah, and now we're giving dimensions. Bigger ones, actually. And we will make them much rounder later. Like, just giving this hint here. This is in the background. By erasing it a little bit. Give those edges here. Give the illusion that they are in the background, and this way you add a lot of dimensions or dimensionality. Is this even a word? And when you're done, you flip the color and you just keep going. Well, maybe with a better flow, right? We make this, and now we have dimensions, right? We choose a different brush size and we keep going. This way we're adding a lot of loads and loads of dimensions right now. Even if we change the directions a bit, I feel like we're getting that back with adding variety, right? Like just sometimes those details here and there, right? When you disconnect things, reconnect them again. Just disconnect this, connect over it. It gives a lot of dimensions. It's amazing. Yeah, you see now we're creating that impact on the ground. Even from far, like when I look at the screen right now, I feel like we're doing something really cool. Get back to the brush. We'll just give that area here. You also have to think, I guess, like how long is this effect going to last, right? Is it a 2 seconds effect? Is it a microsecond effect? And what would people see? And so is the most important message of the effect to see it from far? If yes, then just stay with what you have and don't make too much of a adjustments. Maybe it's fine to stay like that. All right, we'll add more details now here. And like I said, it's okay to change directions a bit. Like, don't go from maybe add a curve, right? Like this, a curve, add more details here, like as if debris are going off the explosion. It's just too organic now, but you get the idea. Like, what if it's going like this from here, and then there are some debris going off the explosion? You could delete some of the stuff here and there. It will look very fiery, but that's fine. And we will delete some stuff here and there like we did before. Add more dimensions to it. I'll get this detail here a bit more in the background. Add over it though, immediately. Yeah, we could here use some gray. Let's see if we add even more gray here. What would happen if we just keep drawing over it in the same direction of the impact? Yeah, we're having something. There is something coming out of this. Yeah, not a lot though. Still feel like we could get rid of some of it. We're adding a lot of contrast, that's for sure. Yeah, okay. And now I feel like we could use some dimensions here in the upper part, because even just going with the texture brush over it, I'm adding a lot of details. It helps a lot to have a texture brush, such as the one I'm using. Yeah, here we go. Let's add a different angle to it. Maybe one that just shows here, gets a debris at the end, and we make it sharper. Yeah, look. Now we're getting that symmetry we started with away from the texture. And now we could use a lot of just clicking over it with the mouse, and maybe not too much. Now we have this texture. We might not use that part as much. Here, get it off the texture. Yeah, it's looking good. Let's save that as at the same document. We have it in the documents, VFX, playground, and texture. Just gonna save it as a number 2 to the first file we saved, and now we export that as a JPEG, excuse me. Oh, is this thing out? Okay. And now we will save it as 2, but not smoother. Same name. We have one already. Let's call it 3. We will save it. And now We'll take the navigator away. We will navigate ourselves now to the file we just saved, document, VFX, playground, and then the impact texture. And we will import it where the textures are here. We will add this one. And now we will go by the tutorial. One by one, we'll follow it. Maybe we take it as a 2D and apply. And we'll follow the tutorial now, even though it's one by one, but at least we have our own texture, and we'll see if that effect would fit our goal or fit our effect that we worked on. And it will probably, this impact texture will show most likely around, restart, pause, around here, like 1.3, or here, 1.31, like boom, you know? Okay. We'll do that right after I'm back from the bathroom. I've been drinking a lot of stuff. See you in a bit, and let's enable that loading screen we talked. Keep it like that. We'll hit the break button, and we'll be back here. Okay, I'll be back. Need a bit more time. I'll be back again. And so we're back. Let's see. Out. I will follow the tutorial one by one. I'm back. Remove my face. I just made some muesli for me. Now we'll get started. Awesome. So we said that it was around 0.6. Yeah. 132, 130. Okay, 130. Let's remember that number. Actually, we don't have to because I can just put it in the chat. Cool. And I will now work on that thing. Where's it? Is this one? Is it this one? Okay, let's continue. Oh, we need a bit more faster, buddy.
And then we can duplicate this beam, for example. We can assign this, and this is, as you can see, most of it is below the ground. Oh, and let's fix the Y. So the way you fix this is by moving the pivot of this. We can do it down here in the venue. Start increasing just a little bit. We can control how high the impact will be, how high this texture will be. It should be a little bit above ground, more or less around 0.35 or 0.4, at least for me. Okay, cool. So we want more than one.
As you might have thought, we will take the climax beam, not the vertical one, but maybe the vertical one actually. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate that, and now it's gonna be boom. I call it boom, so I remember it. What we will do is we will definitely duplicate that material, so make a variant of it. And I know this is very inefficient way to work, but for now, just trying things out. Then we can organize later. Okay, let's put this here and see how it looks like when we restart it and pause. God. Oh, wow. That looks really cool. Okay, we need to change the render thingy here. What is this? Should it be 1? Yeah, this looks so amazing. Let's play it again. See how everything works out. Restart. Yeah, it's definitely not visible. Okay. And we only needed to play once. First of all, we need to manipulate sizing here. It should be 5 by 5 or even 2 by 2, maybe 3, because I like how it's going upwards. And this will be one way to change the pivot or where it is in space. Instead of doing this, is playing with this here. Now it's way up there. Gonna keep it back, bring it back to 0. Gonna 3, also too big. 1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, yeah, 0.35, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we're talking. That is our impact. We will probably remove the color over lifetime. Yeah, okay. We will remove size over lifetime, or should we manipulate it? That works for our favor. Like as such, back. We make it definitely overshoot. It goes back to 0. It should go back to 0 quite quickly. As such, going nuts. But this one we could control size. So this will be a 2, be a 1. Playback time. It goes down. Okay. Now the duration will be about 0.1. That should be duration of this. However, need to change in the start lifetime as well. It's almost invisible because we need 0.2 in order for it to work. I think. Yes, we need at least 0.3. Okay, it's a bit too long, so we will make it play for 1.5. 1.5, not 1. Let's see. Yeah, okay. And now we will make it play at the right time, which is 1.31. Play that again. Boom. Okay, let's get them together. Okay, again. Way too fast. Yeah, and way too small. We might be able to go with something humongous. Let's see. Restart. Okay, that was way too quick. Yeah. Okay. Way too quick, way too big. We will make it go for 0.2. Let's try 0.3, see what happens. Just trying to guess what's gonna come up in the chapter. They're cool. Yep. I feel like we need to study the time more. Let's just pause, study the time a bit more. So, yeah. Okay. It has to, instead of fading with the size, it has to stay where it is. And we have to make it disappear with the color of a lifetime. And here is where I disable all the colors here that are added. We make it white, make it disappear fast. We play again. And like it still. We have to make it like disappear a bit quicker. We will pause it. 1.3 and it goes. Yeah, okay. I don't want it to go back. That should be its end. Yeah, like it should end right there. That's fine. We will make it, however, play a bit longer, say 0.4, and this way we can see it longer. So we'll go, and I don't want to see it at all dissipating or dissipating in size. I just want to be dissipating with opacity. So let's play that back. Yeah, like now the sparks should follow that up. Let's see what happens if we play that again. And here we go. And disappear. Okay, let's see. Maybe we're mixing a couple of things up. Yeah, nah, it's nice. Yeah, okay, restart. It's still not satisfying because I feel like it should go off before. Should be gone. So maybe it's something to play with here. We will play it again. Play everything again. Do it again. Yeah. Okay. We'll play with it again. Make it 3.5. Let's see how that plays out. Play it again. Yeah. It definitely added something to it. Like we have a different layer to it now. We're gonna keep watching. I'll eat my muesli.
We want looking for, and now yes, they are all being overlapped, as you can see. And now that I like to use from time to time, it is to rotate all of these impacts to different directions, but only in the Y. And for that, you can turn on PD fast rotation. And now this is between two constants, and in our case, we want them to have a random rotation in the Y-axis between 0 and 360 degrees, like this. Now, if we test it, we can get a very scattered impact across the Y-axis, much better than only one text rotating the camera.
Okay.
As you can see, it's interesting.
Basically, what's been done here is a bit different. It's interesting. I think we've done a more... I kind of like ours a bit more, but there's a way you could do it where you duplicate it. Let's put it on the side here. And you give it an emission amount of 4 and 5, and give it a more duration. And no delay for now, just to see it happening. And let's loop it. And what has also been added is a rotation, and between two constants here. One with 360 and the other one with 0. And so you have this effect. I think I like it more. Yeah, it's definitely better though. What is also cooler is if we take that color, we darken it, and we put more intensity in it. Okay, now let's see what else colors. This is amazing. We will try it, see what happens. We will go position 0, 0, 0. We will disable the loop. We will get the same info from here. 0.2, 0.35, 0.2, 0.35. Delay is 0, so 1.31. We'll disable this, then we play it together. See what happens. Okay, it's almost not visible. Whoa, what happened there? Yeah, it's a bit off. We'll copy the location here, location data from all of them, and paste them here. And this way now, we will have the boom working for us. Hopefully. Pause. Go back. See. It's too late. Where is it? Where is it? It's way too fast, right? Just gonna give it a much longer lifetime just to see where the hell is it. Whoa. Okay, we're playing with the wrong thing. Let's see what is happening. What is happening with the boom? I almost can't see it. Pause. Start. I definitely can't see it. Where the hell is it? Should be happening like here. Why am I not being able to see it? Okay, now I see it. Restart, pause, play. Yeah, okay. This beam is covering it up for us. Keep it on white. See how it will look like. Okay, we will make it bigger. If it's not making an impact, we'll make it bigger. Okay, and we will see how that will work out now. Okay, I'll play it again. And now we'll give it a color like we did before. Let's see how that plays out. Again, can't see it. Yeah, so the reason why I can't see it is because of the color. 6 intensity, pause. It's just not happening. We will give it a... Actually, see what happens. Now it's definitely happening. We will make its duration a half. Now we'll see. Restart. Okay, it's going way too big. 1.5, 2.5, actually 1.5. And about 70, right? Let's see. Give it a shot. Yeah, it's not really doing much. Now it's super small. Go with 1. See how that works. Okay. 2. What happens if we go 4? Yeah, wait. I like it. It's going way too far though. Like it needs to be playing much shorter. Let's see how that works. I don't know how I feel about that. I feel like it's way too fast. Way too big. Do that again. It's not syncing with the other things that are happening. It started before. Maybe this solves it. 129. Break. Just gonna skip through it because I've just had a break. We will restart. Pause. Oof. Yeah, it's going way too big. So we're gonna go with 2 and maybe delay it back to 8. See what happens there. So yeah, okay, now it's more in sync. It's staying for way too long, in my opinion. 4. Let's see, 0.4. Now we play it again. Yeah. Okay, we will keep that. Let's see how it works with the other one that we've made before to have a what is it? Comparison. What the hell? Anyway, so let's see. Play it again. Oh my god, come on. Why is Unity being so weird now? Does this make you happy, Unity? Does this make you happy? We need to get rid of the gizmo. I like the first one we made. I like it better. Of course, the other one works better in a better environment, but I'm not yet giving it that environment. I think it works better in a more saturated environment, but because there are so many effects playing at the same time from my end, not giving it the freedom to play. Yeah. But we could use that for now. Just turn it back in. And we could use it for creating like a nice theme maybe. What I will do is I will make this into an 8. And then I will give this 3 seconds and we'll delay. That's fine. Let's do it here. No size over lifetime, no color over lifetime. That looks okay. I'll minus that. Give it a 5. Play. It's doing something. Loop it and let's give it a 2 and let's give it... What else can we do? Color needs to color. Ooh, I like variation here. This less intensity. 3, 4. Okay, let's give it a 4. Let's emit it 10 times. Let's rotate it even more. Let's make it a vertical billboard. Just trying different things right now. Vertical billboard. That's definitely not what we want. Billboard for now. What else can we do with it? I feel like a shader would do it better, right? What happens if I enable the color of a lifetime? Yeah, that will give it more variety. However, I think this could be size of a lifetime. That's really nice. Okay, we will take... Why is it scaling with the zoom? Make it less. Less it gets 3. That is great. What we could do is lessen the emission to 5. 3. Yeah. Speed. What happens if we add speed now? I think it will go nuts, right? One thing I would like to do is keep it white and then give it in 2 colors. One is purple. The other one... Now we 10. That's amazing. But maybe we give it the 10 count here. We add this. We get the 0 out. We make it infinite. Oh, here you go. This will emit way more stuff quicker. What happens? What happens if the interval is 1, 3, 4, 5? Okay, and the duration 1. Yeah, it's better. It's way too bright. We need to put the intensity 1 as 0. 0.2. We can give the intensity color. See which color complements maybe, well, let's just keep it then white, gray, okay? But I want it to be blue somehow. Maybe there's a way here to change the color. Changing the, maybe what happens if we add a yellow here? Like it's, yeah, I want that to be faster. Wait, yeah, okay, make it in the middle. Let's make it happen in the middle. Yeah, I want this, and again to yellow. Oh wow, very just can't keep my eye off of it. See what happens if we do 4 of those real quick. Yeah, okay, I like that. Like a quick, almost like it's speeding blue. Do what we want, right? Let's see. Those scammers. How the hell do they get to the fucking chat? Like, come on, fuck off. I don't want you to have you here. So I don't know why I can't mute you either. I'm just gonna block you then. This is so annoying with those people. Where is the channel? We're gonna go to please don't talk. Oh my god. And how to, I'm still very new here. I'm gonna just mute that person or ban them. This is the second time they post something and I'm really annoyed by it right now. Subscriptions, well, settings. We're gonna go to okay, I need to look that up. Thank you a lot. I think that could be a good idea. I just don't know where to, like, I'm still new in this. So I have to look a lot of the stuff up. Like, even navigating this whole system is super confusing a bit. Of course, it's like, it's all new, but we'll get there, I guess. I guess it's not settings, right? So it should be in the video producer. Okay, here we go. Now if I go to stream manager, I can get that person doesn't follow it. Yeah, assuming, exactly. We don't know yet. But I really hate the system. Like, I can't, there's no button to ban them. At least none. Okay, maybe chat settings, show mod icons. Okay, show moderation actions, show messages called by auto mode, chat appearance, screen radar auto announce, chat highlights, delete messages. Wow. Pause chat, pop chat, shield mode. Ooh, shield mode on. What does that do? Let's see, what does the shield mode do? No first time chatters. Emote only chat. Followers only chat. Yeah, okay. Followers only chat. Actually, you can potentially ban certain words. Actually, it's gone. It's not there anymore. Oh, no, it is here still. Wait, if I click on their profile and I block them, this works. Wow, amazing. Finally, we found it. But I need the thing to be gone. Now let's see. Followers only chat. Let's see. When selected, chat is restricted to all or some of your followers based on how long they have been following. Well, even if they've been following for 10 minutes, I don't care. Actually, even if they're following for 0 minutes, I don't care. Slow mode, no slow mode. Maybe 3 seconds. Non-mod chat delay. No. Disable chat alerts. Okay, clear chat from view or for non-mods. Okay. Is it enabled now? Are you following me, by the way? Just type it there. Also, you can bet long life chaos. Copy their username. I still have to look into that. Like, that's its own learning experience for me, honestly. But we'll get there, I guess. I just really, really dislike the fact that you can't click on something here that just bans those people. I mean, they are blocked. Just don't know how I can delete their... I mean, it's not like they posted any link or anything, so it's not malicious. But anyway, we're gonna keep going. Auto mode, level 4. I don't know what that means. Well, eventually, if the stream is successful, we'll get to know more about those tools. For now, we will just keep going with the course. As for now, we'll try to get the color to do what we want. I love that sometimes when you move the camera in a certain angle, it shows a different color. But I like that effect here, what we have at the moment. A question is, how can we make it start to emit at the same time? I really love what it's doing here. This is so cool. And the texture brush really does a lot of work here. is could be bad since people like to get to know people before they know. Well, I'm do you follow me? Like, I'm not sure if I enabled it now. That's why I wanted to make sure if I enabled it or not. So just real quick, let me check it. Shield mode off. It's off still, so we didn't turn it on. It's still off. Shield mode is off. These settings are currently inactive. Yes, correct. That's good. So just keep it this way, I guess. That's fine. Well, there's one option here that says pause chat. No, let's not do that. Delete messages. 8 messages were deleted by a moderator. Okay, we can just see. Yeah. No, don't worry about it. There, we basically are... you're trying to learn VFX. That's amazing. That's really good news. Yeah, I hope you will enjoy this, honestly. I think I need to put this thing down a bit, huh? Like this, because it's taking away a lot of the stuff. Anyway, back here, and we will continue here. I hope you enjoy here your stay. There's, if you missed the other 2 streams we've done, they are on YouTube. I upload all my streams. Of course, I'm still very small here on Twitch. This is my 4th stream, but it doesn't matter. You know, I'm doing it for me to begin with, and if someone benefits, then so be it. Why not? I'm glad that you're also learning VFX for games. Okay, let's. I'm trying to learn Blender in general. Yeah, Blender will come later. I think once we're done with this series, because I have an environment project that I would like to start. But for now, we're just doing VFX because I dedicated the month of July for VFX, even though we're not in July yet. But I would like to get my knowledge in VFX a bit better and try different things. And if by streaming it, I'll learn more, why not? So let's see. We have this here. Okay. We need a delay on this thing. And we need it to play a certain time if we want to make it work. Size over lifetime. It's doing the same thing, right? Over and over again. What happens if it goes back to 0, though? And it overshoots up to 3. Oh my god! We don't want that, or do we? Or do we want that? Oh my god, this is like Super Saiyan effect, right? Oh my god. Trying to do it for illustration purposes. Okay, there's actually a very cool YouTuber that does like our 3D texture painting, and I think you might know him. You might came across him. He does a lot of those like 3D illustration. Let me know if you know which what is it called? Which YouTuber I'm talking about. I do attempt to program games in 2D. That's amazing. Do you use Godot by any chance, or are you just using Unity? Playing around with effects is so fun. I know. Effects are so... The cool thing about effects is that it's technical, but it's so artsy that... and visually, like, it's so visual. Like, just having this on the stream, like, with the effect that we have right now, it catches your eye. It definitely catches your eye. And it's the perfect combination between technical stuff and art. So, like, basically, yeah, Game Maker. But Game Maker is cool. What language does Game Maker use? Is it C#? Or is there a possibility to code with Python? And when did you start? Very interesting what's happening. We'll copy that curve. We will try different curves. That's doing nothing. That's doing something. Oh, it's going inside. Oh, okay, it's very chill here. That is disco. What does this one do? Chill. Disco. Let's go reversed, basically. Okay, so I have a 3D art friend whose art still getting stolen and used as background to this day. Oh my god, that sucks. Which program do they use? I used to do I actually used to do wallpaper art before I started with any of this stuff. Again, I sent you the stuff I used to do before. Here, that was when I used to be a colorist. Okay. I started college, but I've been trying Game Maker every now and again between the years. And have you made a game until now? Because I've made 2 games. I participated in making 2 games. That's the way to say it. I can also link you the games that I made if you were interested. Okay, so I like the curve we had before. I think it did this overshoot in a very, very nice way. 3 is a bit over, how to say it, a bit too much. 1, maybe 1.5. And maybe what we could do here is take that 1.5, that down to 6, 7. not 67. Okay, what I would like to happen is this to move quite faster upwards. One way to do it is take that. Oh, yes. Now we're talking. And what happens if I make it overshoot between two values? That would be very interesting, right? Between two curves. Hell yeah. Now, starts the same, right? But I wish there was a way to make it overshoot even more. Overshoots like a mofo. Goes down here. Work on that overshoot. Oh, come on now. Woo! Not too much. Make it fall like this. Yeah, that's way too much overshoot here. Yeah, I think this will cause a lot of epilepsy. What's called epilepsy? Because of the red-blue shifting. Maybe put... Whoa, what is... Why is it going this way? Okay, that's something I need to figure out right now. And I guess it is with the billboard. And let's make it horizontal. No, we don't want that. We would make it a vertical one. That's more like it. Do we want this to go bananas? Whoa. Yeah, we don't want it to do that type of effect, though. We want it to be a bit more chill. Maybe give it a value of 2 of maximum. And maybe we want it to end later. Let's see how that looks like. Before. Okay. Look at the chat. Also done art for 2 games. One of them did not get released. Yeah, do share. Let me see your art. Definitely. So we will try here. Going really nuts, like with everything. We will make it thinner. All right. And now we will... What could we still do that it... Okay. So restart. Yeah, okay. That's nice. That's neat. We will take the values from... Which values should we take? The best way to know is to play it, pause, playback time. And then we go here from 1.3. Yeah, that's what I thought as well. 1.3. We need to make that size way smaller. And we make it last for 3 seconds. Okay, and now we see how that looks like. Okay, with everything together, restart play. It's definitely doing a completely different effect, but might lead us somewhere. Let's see. The idea of us trying it is good enough. It's going up very slow, and it's taking a lot of the attention away, right? But generally, it's creating a very cool silhouette. It's just not in sync yet. Right? Let's see. It should start right here. It's taking, however, a lot of time to get up. Around 1.88. So if we pull up the calculator and start doing some math, and we will say 1.88 minus 1.3 is around 0.6. So what we will do is take that delay value and minus it from 0.6. And now we see if it will play together. Wow. Okay. Wait a minute. It's going... It is a good time to start though. No, it just starts right here. So now we will just... It's a guess game, I guess. We'll make it an 8. Let's see how would that look like. Restart. Okay. Now again, we'll make it a 9. And now I will slow it down a little bit. Just checking if you shared your art. No. Okay. Good. You don't have to. Just checking. Restart. Pause. Let's see. That's too early. Let's try 2nd and 1. And now pause. Restart. Pause. And good. I think it's too late. We will give it a 2nd. That's too late means yeah. Okay. We need it to be a bit earlier. Let's see. Pause. We will just play it here. Yeah. It's amazing. I really love that texture. Cool. Keep adding on this effect. Okay, it needs to be way smaller. And it needs to finish a bit quicker. So it will go 2.5, 2.5. It will need to be... You know what? Let's work with it a little bit. Let's play it. Okay. So we see that movement of acceleration. We will take those two, put them here. And now take that value, add 2 key points here, and we will add them at the end. And this way, it should start, theoretically, it should start quite quickly, and it should do this effect. However, whoa, what is happening? Cool. Please cover your eyes if you have seizures of any kind. This is going nuts right now. We're trying different colors. A cool color. I will go a bit down with the values. Oh my god. This is gonna kill a lot of people. Please don't die. I'm in a weird situation where I try to avoid sharing art, of course, because of the whole... Yes, sure. Yeah, sure. Sure, yeah, I haven't really come around that part yet with my art because you can see like I'm very connected to the tech of it all. I think the genie is out of the bottle by now and it can't go back. And it's about survivability and adaptation at this point. Because yeah, it's way too strong, the whole thing. I love the colors. Okay, so what we will do is try to reduce those flashy effects that we've done. Out, in, one out. So this is a cool theme of colors. Yeah. We have a new comment. Response. Okay, I can't open the links, it seems. I don't know why. They gave an error for both of them. Anyway, let's see. What else can we do? Flashy. Very flat. Oh my god, yes. I love this. Yes. Quite flashy. Getting some nice colors, like color scheme, you want to say? What happens if I play with this? Or what if one of them is rather later than the others? What are we doing? Please play. Okay, back. Restart. Still starts quite slow. What is the reason for this? Is it the duration of the whole thing? Why is it starting so slow? What is stopping it from? Yeah, this is what's stopping it. Okay, and the time should be 0. Restart that. And now the interval should be 5. Start. Interval. Oh, you can do so much. This is so insane. Interval, let's make it a 3, 2, a 4, a 5. Loading. 3, 4, 4, 2. The fewer of a result you get, bigger. Okay. What can we do still? Just wondering. The gravity modifier. What would happen? Oh, cool. Ooh, even more stuff. What if it's minus... That's too much. 2 kind of does the job a little bit. Ooh. Oh. Okay. We got it. We got it to scale much faster. Oh my god. I wonder how this would look like now. Fuck. Oh my god, that's amazing. Okay, wait. We will disable the loop. Okay, wait. We'll restart again. Okay. What we will do is give the delay. Wait a second. So when we made the simulation speed faster, it also made the delay to become faster, right? Okay, we gotta pause. And now go microsecond by microsecond. Here we go. It's going way too early, which will allow us to push it further to maybe 2.2. Now we're really playing around with things. Yeah, that made it even... Why? Okay, wait. It should start at 3.3. Why, when I pushed it forward in delay, it came earlier? That's a bit weird, right? Restart. Okay, now it's working. When did it start? Yeah, it needs to be around 2.7. Pause. Play. Okay, wait. I would say 2.6 could be the value we're looking for. And let's look at it together again. Oh my god. Yeah. And this needs to be a 5. Needs to be a 5. Wait, so much. Oh, you shared some work. Looks like now I'll need to start testing these on different tabs. Yeah, okay. I will check them on a safer way because I still can't trust links all over the internet. So Internet Explorer test online. Let's see. And we'll give your links a test. I'm not viewing it yet because it could be anything. Test now. We will wait and see. Oh, wow. This looks cool. This is amazing. Hey, that's really cool. I'm gonna copy it if that's okay with you. Let me know if it's okay with you. Can I open the new one? Oh, yeah. Wow. Okay, so I won't show it because you're afraid of the AI generation, right? So I'll just show it in pixelated form so no one can steal your art. If that's okay with you? Hello, please check your phone messages. That's my wife. Oh my god, she's the best. She's asking me if she should bring me bubble tea with her. Yes! Oh my god, I love her so much. So cool. Love you. Okay, let's see. Also, I couldn't call it a genie as much as what is it called? Generation AI provides actually nothing for the art of entertainment industry, but for everything else that it isn't, it's gold mine. AI is like the way I see it is we created windows, so we created glass so we can see through it, and it's a material. If it breaks, it alerts, right? So cars are made, the windows are made of glass. Now there's something that is out and got invented and can go through glass, can make a thief go through glass and take all your stuff and then go through the glass again. So now we have to put wood over our window and we will not be able to see anything anymore. But yeah, capitalism really loves it. See you later, my wife. Love you. You can show if you want. There's already links in chat. Evil genie. Ifrit. That's a new way to Ifrit. See. Afrit. Afrit. It's actually an Arabic word. But I'm not sure if the Afrit is the evil one. I'm not sure anymore. Wait, let me translate it. Afrit. Let's see. We're going Arabic now. Oh no. They are just more powerful genies. I'm just reading more about it. It's very popular in the European culture. And the Quran. الفولكلور لاحق تطور إلى كينونات مستقلة عرفت على أنها شياطين. They're basically, yeah, like you said, they're evil. Yeah, no, you're right. Asking me if I want the bubble tea with tapioca, I will say sure. So yeah, you're right. They are evil. They're like Satans, or like we have different things in Islam. That's a bit complicated. Yeah, they are often evil. Okay, gotcha. Cool. Now we're gonna keep going. Oh, good. We will check what we've done so far. Yes, they're all made of fire. Correct. That's at least correct. So that's everything is well. I don't like the gravity thing we've made. What else? Yeah. Okay, good. My wife is on her way, bringing me some bubble tea. That would be so cool. Actually, I was thinking about it yesterday. She kind of reads my mind. Okay, she will surprise me. Please surprise me. Let's see. What else do we have? I didn't like the gravity thing we've done. Although it was amazing that we discovered it. Maybe 01. Let's see how that looks like. It's too big. That we notice. 0.5.4. See? Play that again. You can play that again. Okay, now it's way too small. So we're gonna need to put that to 0.8. I love your art, by the way. So really good stuff. Restart. We kind of need it to disappear before it dissipates. Okay. That is easy to solve because we could make that a whole, not the start delay, but lifetime of the thing down to 4.5. See how that looks like. Okay. We need a bit more than that. Like 3, like 4. Let's see how that looks like. Okay. Much less 3.8. We might need that now. 3.8. And we'll play that again. It's Z 3.6. No. Play that again. A lot of it's just trial and error. Okay. I would like it to disappear even earlier. So 3.4. We will just have our patience. Yeah, it kind of hit the spot, but I feel like a bit earlier. We could use a bit like 3 maybe? Oh, no, not. Whoa. Whoa. 3. Yeah. Okay. Zip. Yeah, it's still too much. Wait, do we have to play with the duration? Are we playing with the wrong thing here? I will play again. Yeah, kind of does the job, right? Okay. So what I don't like so far is that you cannot see that effect that we made. The sparks effect. Sparkles. I think this needs to be way bigger in order for it to show. Or we just take it out, basically. So now we'll work on that. Let's see. Oh my god. Okay. Sparkle. Let's see. How can we make those? Make them loop, first of all. Yeah. Okay. How can we make them bigger? Make their radius a bit bigger. Yeah. That's first of all one of the things we need to do. Take that radius up. And now we need to do something about... Okay. Let's just see how it looks like. We have to disable the looping. All right. We will play that again. I'll take out this stuff. Restart. Oh, wow. Looks really cool. So many things at once. Like a VFX salad. What do you guys think? Any feedback here? Let's check it out. I feel like it's way too big, the sparks. But at the same time, I feel like let's give them a loop and try to manipulate them on our own. So what is causing this bullshit here? Okay, that's much better. 2 is nice. Length scale. What does this do? Oh no. The sparks at the end feel odd was my first thought. Okay. I can check them out, definitely. Feel like this is a cool effect, but too big. So 1 and 2, or even try 0.5 and 1. I like this. Yes, I like. Okay, we're gonna play all of them together. Restart. Too small, too bright, all the above. What we will do now, we will try to make the intensity of each material a bit less and see how it will look like. I would probably offset them to be at the edges of the laser. Do you mean those sparks, by the way? Like if I restart it, pause, and now play back? Because there are those sparks here. And then there's this. Do you mean those that go away from the effect? Here at the end, you mean? Okay. So what I will do, as you explain it, so the one at the end, basically. Yeah, I also feel like they're odd. But what I would love to make them do is make them last a bit longer on the ground. Those are the particles out. And let's take their collision and their bounce. Where is it? Okay, restart. I feel like they could use some time on the ground. But how can we do it? What happens if we give this a 20 value? I should remember though, because yeah, it doesn't change much really. 2.5. Let's see the emission if there is anything here that play with that. Could be the collision though. Let's see. Loss in 5. Let's see what happens. Yeah, this makes them even worse. -1. Can we do a minus? No, we can't do a -1. How does that feel if it's 1? Yeah, they're all gone. 0.2. How does that feel? Yeah, that's better. It feels much better. Yeah. How can we make them last longer? Well, first we need to check the color over lifetime. Well, they are lasting. The size over lifetime thing is weird. Let's see what happens if we keep them. Yeah, that's better. We will, however, try as well to work with collision again. Make this a 3. That go away. What do you mean by that go away? 4. Restart. Boom. 3, 5. Okay. So we need now to make those values here less. Let's see. Oh my god. Let's not change that, please. Yes. Okay, this needs to be 1.5. I'm just gonna half the values of all the stuff. This is, give it to 1 because 0. will fudge it up. Let's see here. This will be 3.2 here. This will be 1. Keep it 1. And this one will be 1, keep it 1. This one stays at 1 as well. We might change that later. 2.4 is 1.2. Beam 1 stays at 1. Sparkles 2, 3, which is do the job. Nah, that's not okay. 1.5. Yeah, is I'm gonna disable this one just for the sparkles. This has a decent amount of intensity, which is 0. Maybe we can do better. Let's see this. Okay, let's see how it all plays out. I think we fucked it. Definitely. Okay, pause. Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Z, Z. Play again. Okay, I feel like getting a bit dizzy. I need to drink something. Think a little bit more. The edge of the laser. So basically there, what you're saying is that they're going way too far away, right? Sparkles out. Yeah, just the sparkles. Let's not loop you anymore. Let's play it again. Now we will play it like that. Sparkles are going away. Too far away or too much time at the end. But I kind of want the effect to have... Yeah, this is staying for a bit too long. We need them out sooner. Sparkles. Let's see. Restart that. Pause. And play an hour phase or whatever it's called. Yeah, this is way too early now. Sparkles, please stay until 7. See, play again, pause. At the end, they're also going out way too early. Basically until 2.8, I guess, or even longer. 2.8. Let's try that. Nah, not you. Wait. Sparkles. 2.8. Let's go. Let's see all together again. Yeah, that's nice. Restart. Restart. So what is happening? This is super good here. I think we could use the same sparkle thing we made here with the same settings. Let's copy them over. 2, 3, 2. Okay. Sparkles. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, we said? I like that. Okay, what we could do though is unlock, lock, put them next to each other, examine them, and try to copy them as much as possible. Where are we? This is sparkles. We need the sparkles in the anticipation. Okay, now we go one by one. What do we have in here? We have a 0, 3, and a 2. What I fucked up. Radius. Let's go to the radius. What do we have? 098, 0360, nice stuff. What size do we have? 001 and 009. It is up to you what you do with my feedback. Just make sure to have backup just in case. Of course, don't worry about it. I'm not taking this too serious anyways. This is not going on my portfolio. This is learning purposes only. Start size, here we go, 05, 01. Okay, let's see how that works. Restart, pause. You know what looks so weird? The sparkles that are going out or the particles that are going out are super small. And I think this could use an imp. Let's see. Here. Let's try that to be 5. That's a 1. Let's see how that plays out. Oh my god, it's ruined everything. Is that a size issue though? That like if we have to put this to 1, how that look like? Oosh. Why is it happening in that fashion? I really don't know why this doesn't work for me. Length, maybe we could use half of that. 0.5, restart. Too big. Maybe there is oh, we'll have a break. We'll skip that because I'll be soon done anyway with the stream. If you haven't followed, please do so. Will help me a lot. But for now, we'll just keep going with the stream. It's way too big now. What to do? What to do? Definitely, we need it to be smaller. 0.7 was the right. Now we will start again. Also, they are not matching the speed. Like the speed from the amount of impact there is. The speed of those particles is just not matching. This could be the isometric that is making everything work. Oh, are they? And I feel like right here, or before the explosion, so we have the anticipation moment. I feel like right at this time here, second, we can have the same sparkles we have here happen for what, like 1 microsecond, and then disappear again. Let's see how would that look like. I will put it here. Maybe smoke. Yeah, smoke. I don't want to play with smoke yet. I want to do that a bit later. Smoke and fire. Actually, I showed the one reference before of an effect that looks similar from Command & Conquer, where there's a laser that goes on the enemy, and then after it's gone, there's just blue fire. I think this could add a lot to this effect, but a bit later. Don't know. A bit later. We could play with the fires and textures as such, because I want to make my own textures for now. But yeah, 100%, 100%. So, let's play back. Go back. Actually, we don't need to, because the delay here is quite on point. It should last much less than 2 microseconds, maybe 1. Let's see how would that look like. It's too fast. Yeah, it's going way too much. It was fine. Okay, I think I know what I could do to make this whole effect look way better. I need to play a little bit with the color over time. So you can go back here and we can put you all together. And now, so cylindrical vertical energy. Those are the things that I need to change first in order to see if this effect will take place. So size, no. Color over time, definitely. Well, wait a second. Play. This one does not change color. So the ground is changing color here. Okay, I want that color to not happen. Unlock. Okay. Color over lifetime. Can you not? Thanks. Let's see how the anticipation will work together now. I feel like the green is way out of... It's not fitting, I guess, is the way to describe it. Which one is this? This is this. Particles, yes, exactly. Let's go with the color of the effect, maybe. Let's see how that works out. Okay, maybe we just take 2 colors that are very similar to each other, like yellow. And now we play together. Cool. Now we will take the climax and check what is turning green here. And we will play it very slowly. Green is giving too much light, and it's too intense. So first of all, we will go with the cylindrical energy thingy here. Take that green out, make it orange out. Let's see how that works when we change the beam, horizontal beam. That beam needs to lose its green. Maybe keep the red. Oh, go ahead. Needs to lose its green. Something closer to yellow here. Maybe white. Whiter yellow. Okay. Restart. Okay, now we're getting quite the better result somehow. Everything is way too saturated as well, and I think we could play with that later. For now, I want to get rid of the green stuff. Vertical beam. Please don't green, but please yellow. And in the beginning, maybe yellow lighter. And let's see. Oh, cool. I can already see that it's way too bright. So 2, see how that plays. And now we can add more color. Let's see. Like this. Can't avoid color, it seems. Yeah. Sparkles. Boom. That's the boom we made. That's vertical, horizontal. You, mister, need to basically chill a bit. Let's see how that looks like. Yep. That makes much more sense. Let's see here. Okay. Restart that again. Okay. We're gonna go very slowly. See, this is still switching to green. And I don't want green anymore. Vertical energy. No, not the vertical cylinder. Yeah, it is the cylinder. Okay. What? Yep. What? Where are we? Yeah, okay. A vertical energy. Please don't green. Can you like not? Okay, thanks. And we'll do this. Check that out. Maybe add one more. Let's go here. Restart. Yeah. 2 orangey at the end. Maybe more yellow. Because it's anticipating. It's not doing anything else. Yeah. At Ring of Fire. Okay, what I will try to still do is a bit more up. See what that looks like. It looks like fire. Yeah. Okay, let's play all of it together again. I love the purple, how it's adding so much variety to it. I think we could make the laser do some stuff with the color. Climb, both. Yes, that's it. Color over lifetime. Yes. Ooh, it already has one. Let's see. A funny one. Okay, so what it will do is it will start with the purple color. Then it will go into an extreme orange color here. Then it will stay with that until the end. Then it will turn red. Let's see how that looks like. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, that is something, but I don't like it. Let's see what we could do with. Give me a 10. How that look like? Huh. Start it with white. Okay. 5. Play it all together just to make sure. Okay. What we could do is it doesn't want to follow our rules, we will make it do some cool stuff for us. But I'm not sure how long we can play with those values though, because I think we have limit. Okay, let's see. So which color it can't handle it, it would make it white. Okay, this is gonna be fun. One more. Copy, paste. Okay, wait. I wanted to do some nice effects for us. Where would that be? Nuts. Yeah, we're just playing around right now. Okay, let's see how would that look like. It's nuts. 3. Where would that take us? Okay, just wondering how would this look like. It's not so bad, right? It's not so bad. Kinda like what we have. How can we make it look cooler? Are we talking about like making it more? I'm just going around. I know I'm going around with things, but why would it favor yellow? I just don't get it. Yeah, okay, now it looks super glitchy. It's actually favoring red, not favoring it. So wait. So no. Nope. Laser. Start. Kind of cool. Oh, my eyes. Restart. 3. Back to 3. Let's try to play with less saturated stuff. Yeah. I think that's the better way to manipulate colors. Okay. Just play around. Less saturation everywhere. Even the red. Less saturation. Okay, let's go now. Yeah. And now we can take the intensity to 2. See what happens. Still 1.5. See. You can see more colors. And it's less aggressive. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, definitely less saturation is the answer here. I feel like the second cylinder is would work better if we give its duration less value 7, lifetime 2.5. Yeah, would that look like generally? Yeah. Oh yeah, we have a lovely effect. I feel like this is like a boom scrolling effect. Scroll. And this is the normal boom thing we made. Yeah. Play together. Yeah. I love the beginning. Beginning is so nice. Yeah. And that dissipation beam needs more time. Just needs a bit more time. I'll save everything because Unity is acting super weird and I'm very afraid that it will fuck everything up. Apply all. Okay. And now we will give this a bit more time. Give it 4 seconds. Let's see. Let's just see how would that look like. Yeah. Yeah. Lovely. Cool. We got it. I think that's it for this effect. I'm not sure. I keep adding more stuff to it. I guess it's never enough. Let's keep watching.
So they all have a different size in the X and Y every time they count. So X will be the right between 4 and 3 should be fine. Then Y will control all four. It's going to be a bit more and 4 maybe because we want to make a vertical impact, you know. So as you can see, there are more stretches in the Y axis now.
They're still working on this effect, so I'll skip that one. Shockwave. Ooh, we might benefit from some shockwave, right? Let's see. I'll go faster. We'll use some guides and we have some type of image that looks like, yeah, basically just a circle. Well, good thing I have a circle made from before. And that circle looks a bit like... First of all, let's go here and textures, and then we'll go and wait, I'll take the show that in Explorer, please. Now, I will take that thing that I made from before and I'll show it to you quickly. I'm just opening the files. If we go here, if we go here, if we go here, if we go here, then we go... I don't want to say the name of the files on my PC, but you know, you get the point. If we were to go here, yeah. So the thing looks like this. It's just gonna load a little bit. So this thing I made before, the beginning of the last year, I think. Let's see how would this work if we follow the same tutorial. I'm very excited. Might not be able to make it today, but we will see. That's not a problem. Let's see. I will do my best. If we could follow up and be very quick with this, it will be very cool. All right. I put it in the texture file now. Radial. Let's make it into this one. Let's apply. I don't think it will work, honestly, but let's see. Okay, we'll follow the tutorial. Whoa, went too fast here. One, a bit too fast still.
Oh, and let's set the Y of the position to 0, by the way. Now, down here in the render, let's switch the render mode to horizontal, because...
I think I have an idea how would this work. We will just copy... So what I will try now is to try to see if I understood the concept of what we were doing so far, right? So I will take the dissipation or the climax beam, the horizontal beam. We will copy that over, and now we will create a new variant of that. Exactly. And we will add our texture to it right here. We'll restart it. Yeah, this looks so awesome though. Let's see how we can make it work. I think maybe with more density. Let's see how we can make it work. Will be definitely interesting. We could blur it if it does work. Let's do that now, actually. Or should we do it later? Let's just try to understand how this works. Restart. Yeah, okay. So it's doing the effect. We need a much lesser duration of 0.5. We need a start time of 0.25. Let's see how that works. Okay. Scalable lifetime should go outwards. That means this in this motion. Yes. We needed to do some nice stuff though. Yeah. Something like, yeah. We will give it a bit more time, 0.5. We will make it go much slower at the end. So it will do something like this. This will be something like that. We'll restart this. Yes, it might even overshoot. Let's see what happens. Restart. Yeah, okay. Let's make it overshoot. Then it goes back to something like this. Let's see how this looks like. Yeah. And now we will, because it's like, it's doing this explosion and it's right? Doing like, let's see how that will look like if we make it such. Yeah, okay. And we will add a color over lifetime. Color over lifetime. Yeah, that's nice. Let's keep it the same. I mean, let's not color it yet. Just keep it white for now. And give it a way or faster way out. Yeah, I feel like this could use more time. Let's see. Restart. Yeah, it's very cool. Size will be a 7. Let's restart that. Yeah, okay. Duration. Delay might be 8 or even... Nah, let's go with a 3. Let's stay safe. Let's see what happens. Okay, we'll just play it very quick. Definitely will use more bluer for it, but yeah, I think it needs more color over lifetime in the beginning. I mean, more dissipation or anticipation. Or what's it called? Some of this, whatever this is. Okay, we play it all together. Start. Okay, we will make this the size here up a bit more down to 5, so it all is in one harmony. I feel like it is communicates magic more than it communicates the other stuff. That's why we'll go back to Photoshop now. Take that here and import the image. We will open it in here. Open it here. All right, now we'll give it a blur. Okay, much more. Okay, wait. Let's play with it a little bit. We will duplicate that and again, and we will blur it extremely, like very blurry. And we'll lessen the opacity and give it one of those effects. Yeah, this is good. Lighten, good. See if we could add more color, lighter color. See, yeah, it's definitely adding something. And now if the original one is blurred slightly, let's use a different blur, maybe something that keeps stuff together. Pixelate, crystallize. Fragment, render, flame, no, we don't need that. Sharpen, stylize, diffuse. Let's see. Not doing anything important. Filter, stylize, emboss. Okay, what is happening here? Oh, that's kind of cool, but we will see. Cool. It definitely does some effects to it. Stylize, root. What that look like? Whoa. Okay. Filter, stylize again, and we'll go with find edges. How would that work if we added effect? Navigate the negatives? I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, not that bad. Adding more details. I like it. We will still look for more ways to stylize this. Stylize. We found the edges, oil paint. Let's try this one, but it doesn't have any mercy. It just doesn't have a bar or anything. Styles or trace contour. Cool. Level 18. Okay, just tracing some stuff. What would the wind be? Just wondering. Okay, it adds some nice effect to it. Wind, blast, dagger, left to right. From left to right. Whoa, damn. Okay, we don't need that. We don't. Yeah, we just wanted to blur it. See what happens. Blur just a normal one. Less blurry. Let's try this one. Put it over everything. Have a look. Okay. And now we end up with, let's blur it even more. Feel like it's not fitting yet. Yeah, something like that. Okay. Lighter color. What else there is? Add. What else is there? Lighter color. Good. Maybe we can mix between both. We will see though. So we will save that JPEG as radial too. And now we will mix both of them. Save that. And I will also make one version with just a normal circle, basically. That is 248, 248. Size of the canvas. It will be, it will have a stroke of 40 pixels and maybe even more. What the hell? 60, 80 pixels. And it will be resized inwards. It will be resized outwards again. It won't have any color as a fill. And it will be duplicated now and deleted and then blurred. And let's see how that looks like. Something like that. Not touch the edge. And we just duplicate it until you can't see the beneath structure anymore. We can add some inwards. Okay, we will, this is kind of cool. We will duplicate that again. We will delete it. Making textures is so much fun. And blur that, blur it less around here. Should be fine. And we make it inwards. Or way. And now we bring them together, blur them again, blur. Okay, we bring them together again. So we have more light. Okay, we're just gonna try this now. Radial, and this one will be radial 3, whatever. Good. Now we will definitely duplicate this one, give it a variant here. I'll create a variant. Yes. And we will give that a texture here, a bit bigger. Okay, those two need to be here. This one, good. Here we go down there and we say, can you please take the blurry one? Not so bad. What happens if both of them are playing the same thing? Okay. But how does this look like? Only the, well, it doesn't look super bad, right? It's giving even a fire kind of. We can give it even a spin, right? Rotation. What should I do? Where to get the rotation? Rotation over lifetime, right? Yeah. Enable and make it go 360, I guess. Try that. Yeah. We can make it go over a curve. Does it rather quickly or slowly? Yeah, so it starts super fast. Wait, is this the way to do it? Yes. Just wondering. Okay, what would this look like? I kind of want it to stop at the end. So this is fair enough. Yeah, this is good enough. I think it's, yeah, okay. Yeah, this makes sense. Restart. Yeah, okay. I feel like could show a bit earlier. Could have 3 of intensity, color yellow. What would that look like? Okay. Way too intense. Orange, 2. Yeah, much more orange. I guess we would use something like here. Restart. Yeah, and now we would use something less saturated. Restart. It's cool. Yeah, amazing. A bit more saturated. Yeah, let's just play all of them together. Let's see how that look like. Ooh, okay. Why is this? Okay, here. Okay. Now without this, because it's very distracting. Restart. Okay, and now we will try to use the normal radial texture. Just to see. And restart. Okay, it's too intense. 1. And play it all over again. Yeah. Too big. Again. Size. We will go with something 2. Feel that. How far that goes. Too small. 3. See how far that goes. Yeah. Okay. I think I get it. We're just gonna go to the Photoshop again. We're gonna get all those together. Much smaller radius. And black background. Gonna make it quite simple. Huh? Go together again. Blur them up. Put them in the middle. Now replace the current radial texture with this. And okay. And then we're back here. And then we play everything again. See? Replay. Okay. Let's see what they do in the tutorial.
We want this to be on the ground, right? Shockwave now. But it's still a bit.
They play it for 0.2 seconds. This is something we're doing as well. 0.2. Come on, why is it being so weird? We're going 0.5. Size wise, we have even a smaller size. We had the same size before. Funny enough. Yeah, I think the start time, but it's cool. Really cool. We will play with the size over lifetime, make it way bigger. Size over lifetime. Make it overshoot something crazy. Yeah, go overshoot even more. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's good. 2.5. Let's see if it will go further. Restart. I like it. A bit too far though. 2. Come on now. No. What is it doing? I go with 0.3 and we'll copy it, paste it again, change the texture, actually change the material, render that one, and we'll play it together, see what happens. So cool. Oh my god, that's nice. So we will do size of, get it slightly bigger. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense. So what we will do is we'll make that a 5. We'll make the beam into a 4. And we'll copy it and paste it over again just to try different things. And we'll copy the material properties. We will duplicate the material. Yes. And we will add the texture we had before. This one. This will be a 3. in the size 3, and we will go to rotation. And the rotation here will be minus 30. Let's see how this look like now. Like it's all magic. Pause. Okay, so what is happening? Why is crazy? Yeah, I definitely think this needs much smaller size. Now we see them interact with each other again. Pause. Yeah, it's still too big. We're gonna have to put it down to not this one, of course. This one it will be 4 point. Let's go with 3.8 to be much smaller. Yeah, they're all dissipating at the same time. I think this could use a longer period of being there, and this way, yeah, much more even. Okay, let's see it playing together. A pause. Okay, that's staying way too long now. Color or lifetime. Okay, good stuff. Let's play it again. All together. Almost done for today. Restart, play. Yeah, it's starting way. Yeah, play it again. Yeah, it should start here basically. 1.25. Okay, let's do that real quick and all together again. Okay, what I wonder if we could do something now, and that is to get rid of this mesh billboard and then take the material here, the latest ones we worked with, which is materials back here. Come on, here, render, and let's take this material, take this one, I think, billboard, horizontal, something showing up, play, let's see, put this thing up a notch, I think, 1, sorry, 0, this one 1, okay, 2, whoa, that's the wrong one, even. 7, oh, that's way too big, 1, 0.1, 2, 0.2, and now we give it the beans. Which is size over lifetime, color over lifetime, looping out, restart. Okay, 0. Yes. So see how that plays out now with the ink section. Okay, so now I feel like we could give this a scale of definitely a 16. 0 doesn't matter. Okay, 32. 30, 30, and here it's gonna be a 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. Yes, yeah. Okay, let's see how this is gonna play. Okay, start again. Okay, restart. Rotation over time is missing. Rotation over lifetime. Play again. Okay, what is else's? All over lifetime we have size of a lifetime, rotation over lifetime, render, else. We didn't. Okay, so basically the issue is with the material. Gotta copy the same intensity level to 1. Here should be a 1 and give it orange. Okay, now we see it together. Okay, it needs to be a bit smaller in the size. 28, 28. It needs a bit of a delay. Delay we need I don't know, 4. See how that works out. Okay, needs a bit of smaller radius. 25, 25. Put them together. Okay. Oh, that's the mistake. It's what's happening that is completely off. Is doing some weird stuff. Start 0, 5. 0, 4, 5. It is starting, but it's doing weird stuff. Let's play together. Okay. Why is it popping? Like the color over lifetime is no. Okay. Again. It's just appearing. I think that's due to the texture itself. We can change the texture by changing the material, which is somewhere around render here. Not this one. Try this one and see. Also disappear. What is happening? Is it moving upwards and downwards? Is that the problem? Can we make it please like stay where it is? 6 for now. Let's just stay. Yeah, there's a movement. Okay, that's good to know because we don't want that size of a lifetime. You please stay the same. Okay, and now play that again. Okay. Color needs to change. Density needs to change. Back to 2, maybe. 2. Oh, damn it. And here. Okay. Play them together. Yeah. Okay. Size needs to be bigger. Go with 2.8. 2.7. 2.7. We didn't try that number yet. Okay. Big, right? Hearing before. Wait. Did this come back again? Bruh. Fuck off. We don't want you. Bro, what is happening in here? Station is correct. These. Right. Doing something here. Oh no, wait. It should still do the color stuff. Unless it's too abrupt. Oh, right. It's just coming out of nowhere. And going out of nowhere. This should not... Up! Thing I know. Thing I know. Select shader. Here. Transparent. Okay. It is transparent. It is unlit. It is additive. Alpha is connected. Yeah, I don't know. It be... What could it... Let's see. Why is it doing it? No. Is it close to the ground? Yeah. It is doing some kind of fucking movement here. Is it still doing that? Yeah, let's see. Start play. Up and down. The Z is still doing weird stuff here. Which is... I think there is. Play that again. Yeah. Okay, play it together. Start. Yeah. Play all together. Yeah. All of it has to actually disappear much quicker than I thought. Restart. Yeah, play together. Now I will give it a bit more time. Like second and second here too. Yeah, okay, let's see how that plays together. Restart. Kinda cool how fast it is. But this had made it a bit faster, which is funny. We're just gonna disable it. See how it looks like together. This. Come on. What, bruh? Sizes have to change. At 2.8, I guess. Okay, we'll disable fourth one, second one, third one. Play that again. Yeah. Oh, we tried some things. I would be ashamed of that. Yeah. Yeah. Much smaller though, scale wise. We need like a 2. Okay, and now we play it together again. Fine, sometimes it's just too much effect, you know. More. Okay. Do that again. Yeah. That makes a lot of sense now. That's the effect. It's good to know that this is how you could do stuff. It's nice to know new ways and to keep them. Maybe they would work on another effect, for example.
What do you think of this shockwave? Well, I believe it's quite a nice detail that helps translate from climax to the dissipation. And it also adds power and impact to our effect, right? And
I think they did it in a really nice way in the video. We just have to understand.
could be enough. And let's also go ahead and parent this to the second dim ground. So, what do you think of this shockwave? Well, I believe...
Just gonna watch how they did it.
Okay, so we have a quick circle. That's it. And we want to change the size of our lifetime where we can choose these curves right here. Okay, we already have our shockwave now, but it's still a bit too small. So let's increase the start size to maybe around 13. Should be enough. And let's also go ahead and...
I mean, it's quite the basic setup. We did the same thing. They just have made it quite, like they've made it really big. Maybe we could try that. Start size, let's go. They made it 13. So we will see how that will work out for us. They just made it disappear in a very simple way. So let's see how that works now. Let's see together. Gonna have to disable. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Stop session going. Restart. It makes a lot of sense to do it like this. Okay, we will make it disappear a bit quicker, and that is through the color of a lifetime. Color of a lifetime. We are. Let's make it disappear around here. Let's give it a size of a lifetime value that is very simple. Make it just keep it like that. Keep this value to 1 for now. Start that. Yeah. That's just how it's supposed to be. We can try different materials now, just to see. Actually, here materials, and let's see. Let's try different things, just to see how it would affect it. Try this one again. Start. Okay, the rotation over lifetime needs to stop. Yeah, restart. Yeah, makes sense. But it's still better with the normal material we've had before. Let's try this one. Try things. Those don't make a lot of sense. This is like a magic, almost a magic texture. Let's just keep it to the normal. Not try to do else. We'll try to play all of them together now. Minus the inactive ones. Yeah, that's cool. It is cool. It is simple. It's cool. You don't have to invent the wheel, reinvent the wheel, right? It just works. Yeah, it works. Good. I feel like we need a bit more delay in between the effects. Just let me pause that. See what is causing lack of delay is the sparkles. We will make them play a bit later. Where is it now? 1, 2, 1. Gonna make them play 1, 2, 3. Okay, and play that again. Should make a t-shirt. Play that again. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Lovely. we will learn how to create nice effects with textures. I'm really excited for textures effect because I really love to draw them. And for now, I have to wait a little bit. I wonder how it looks like if I enable those again. But it will look super weird. Let's see. Yeah, it is really weird. Okay, we'll just disable them again. Fine. Actually, delete them even. And now we call that shockwave. Just shockwave. Shock. Okay. Good. Let's apply all. Do that. Good. And let's keep going.
Current is the second dim. So, what do you think of this shockwave? Well, I believe it's quite a nice detail that helps translate from climax to the dissipation. And it also adds power and impact to our effect, right? That looks great. But maybe it's a bit too bright, so let's go ahead and actually change this to a darker color. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So now if we try a different lifetime, like 0.5, we get a totally different result. Can you feel that difference? It feels like it has lost some power, but it also looks really great, right? So this is really up to you, and now you know how timing is really important in this area, in the visual effects field, as you can. Anyway, now just don't forget the tap, because our next
Ground crack. Ooh. Gonna make some ground cracks soon. Wait, let me check something. I'll take a bathroom break actually. We'll be right back. Waiting. Some water. Getting really tired. But it's good. Good. That means we worked hard. So let's play. Okay. The effect has changed drastically actually. Like it went from this it's obviously made from a couple of particles to this almost anime like. But I feel like something has changed and it is quite faster. And I think that's the simulation speed of this here when we changed it. Let's go again, simulation speed. Let's make it into a 1. I think that is what is causing this problem here. Quite fast. Ah, no, that's the problem. Found the problem. Okay, so good. The playback speed was on 1.7. That was what caused the problem. I will just go back and Control Z some of the stuff I for this. Good. Let's play again. Here. Level that. Yeah. Yeah, I had an eerie feeling. I was like, did I fuck it up? Why is it so fast? Here you go. That's way cooler. Okay, one thing about the particles out that I'm not satisfied by is I want it to have one color and I want it to be very light yellow. Okay, and let's see it play together. Minus this. Okay, definitely too bright, too saturated. I'm gonna go with something like here. That is actually something I wanted to do with all the effects here. And this. Okay, what is the color on that one? Less saturated. Good. Okay, ground. We have less saturated, even more color over lifetime. I think it could benefit from like that. Okay, let's take the particles in and let's just play those two together. Yeah, we could really see how, okay, see them play together. All of them play together. Yeah, the less saturation now made the main impact more serious. And I feel like we could make the beam redder. Beam, make it even more red, that direction. Color here. Now we restart it. Wait a second. Got a message. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Okay, good. We'll soon end the stream. Good thing we've done a lot of work and I'm really satisfied. Not so much with the sparks here. Like their shape. Feel like they could use. Feel like this thing is way too transparent. It could be something like this, this here. Make it a bit bigger. Feel like this could make it look cooler. Duplicate it and give it some blur. A little bit blur. I want the core to be quite bright. Then the edges could have whatever freedom they want. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, and now I will go with the power of gradient and up it up. Go away. What is happening? Why is it gray? That's why. Alright. Good to know. Make it more blurry. Gaussian. Go down. Fuck the edges. That. Now it's not working. Can I just go a little bit back? Yeah, let's just try this texture. See what happens. Select default particle. Default particle. What? Nope. Okay. Whoa. So, no wait. what? Ah, we changed all the materials. Well, let's make a variant, and we may select a knob, so to speak, and restart that. Yeah, that's much better. I like this version way better. I feel like their size is way too huge, so we will give that size adjustment. Make it a 0.1 to 0.2. We restart that. Yeah. Now we play it together. We might even change the anticipation particles. Yeah, we not might, but we will. Particles in, and we will get the materials we created. Material one, and I will go to particles in and take that one, put it there. Okay, and we will play. Yeah, color here can change to the same color of the particles in, which is a color of this. These are two nice colors. We will copy. We will pasty. Where is it? Two colors. Yes. Paste. Goes in. Go B. Goes out. Paste. All right, let's give that a spin. What is this? Why are we disabling this? Okay. All right. Come on, bro. Please. See again. Okay. We don't need that. Just gonna start now. Cool. Okay. The less saturation in the beginning have served us. However, the red color is not serving anyone. It needs to change. This red color needs to change to either redder or orange, or I don't know. Play that again. Yeah, that's working for my at least. Okay, here there's a mix of things. It's blinding everything in the beginning of the. This is all good here. I think the blue color for the laser would keep it consistent first of all, and it would give it benefit. So I'll copy this. I will actually delete everything else. Keep those two. Now we play. Okay. So we realize that we only need the blue to stay consistent all because I don't want to go white. Restart. Very nice. Okay. There's something I don't know. Showing through stuff. That was a huge sneeze. How can we make this? If anyone knows, just let me know, of course. How can we make this not show up as blue beneath here and keep it blue up there? How can we? Oh, trying to think of a way. Well, gradient doesn't work, does it? How could we make this happen? Well, we have the color, but the color really is not a texture. I guess we could manipulate the shader, or we play with this right here. Let's take a gradient. How does this look? Yeah, well, we don't need that. But why is it black anyway? Well, there's something with the shader, it seems, which is good to check. Edit shader. And we have no alpha, and it's opaque. All right, give that a save back here. This restart. Come on, dude. I just saved it. Should work, right? Should work. All transparent. No. Okay. Let's try this here. What does this look like at the end? Yeah, test definitely. Okay, we will select something similar, I guess. Is this a problem with the shader? Is it a problem with... Oh, this could solve it. What we need? We need to make the black different color. But yeah, for now, let's see. What else do we have? Any texture-wise? Just wondering because this worked on the other. Yeah, this is not working. This one, funny. Just trying different things. Playing around right now. Being stuck here with the shader not working. But, I mean, how tied am I anyway to the shader? Because I could just give it a different material. It should work, right? Theoretically. Okay, wait. So we will... This is the... Yeah, I remember I made a special shader for it. So let's... Oh my god. That's... Ooh, look fancy down on it. So cool. The cool effect. Well, cool. Now we can play with a texture. We'll just make a variant so we don't play with anything. Like, right? The right color? Blue. But look at this shit. So cool. Just needs like this spin, right? Like if we rotation by a lifetime and then we go bananas like 800, that would happen. Woo! Spin me, spin me, spin me. Let's try different textures for now. Yeah, it's always spinning though, so not gonna work. Yeah, that's not gonna work with the spinning. But we need a texture that could help us here, like a gradient of some sort. Okay, still there. We need it kind of down up or up down. Let's see what else is there. It's like a light. What else is there? One. That's cool. Let's check this one out. Oh, cool. Okay, let's see what else is there. Oh my god, there's some really spicy stuff. What is this? Start. Yeah, this is not gonna work. Fine. Yeah, okay, we're just gonna keep it to default because it worked best. But now it doesn't work anymore. So what we'll do, go assets, materials, and this here, and now materials. And we click on the laser, and now we put our data we had before, which is laser. Yeah, impact. It, and we need to select that back to those. Restart. Good. But now we have it. We have it, right? Yeah, it is blue here. What is it? You know, less opaque. Oh my god. I've accidentally created a really cool effect because I re-enabled the alpha here. Transparency and alpha. So this looks cool. We will replay. Oh, we did it. I accidentally did it. Oh my god. It's so cool. Oh my god. So I think I'm done. I have a headache. Thank y'all for watching. This is what we've been creating today, following the course of Gabriel Agua. I completely recommend buying the course. Very informative. This is not an ad, and it's just voluntarily from me as a review. If you haven't follow me, please. It will help me a lot. This is my 4th stream. See you tomorrow at around the same time. Thank y'all for watching, and if you want to check this video, this stream will be on YouTube today afterwards. All right, peace out, and thanks for watching. I'll try to raid another stream, maybe. Yeah, okay. I have not done this before, so I will try it. How to raid another stream. Let's see. Gather. Content community. Bye. Thank you for joining. I hope it was a cool stream. Let's see. Together stream 2 raid channel. Oh, okay, this works like that. That's kind of cool. We will see game dev designing dungeon assets, game dev and pixel art. That's something you might be interested in, so I will give my views there. Thank you all for watching. See ya soon. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye.